this is Maria of Pink Pony Design, and I just wanted to show you the first time I'm trying to use my hole punch kit. And I got this at Amazon actually, and it's a bunch of different sized and shaped hole punches, and there's a bunch of them. They're like stacked on top of each other, and they are hopefully going to be very helpful when attaching locks, screw locks and stuff where I want to make a hole. So I've checked out a couple which might be suitable. I am attaching one of these lock bars from Emmeline, and I've already drawn my hole opening here. So I decided to go with this square one because it's actually the one that fit best. The others were a little too large. So I'm basically just gonna place this in here over my markings and go to town with a hammer. So I apologize in advance for the noise. That feels good. Yeah. Wow, that's so cool. Boop. That was super easy. That is the easiest I've ever done this. And hopefully this should fit beautifully. Oops. Why not thread it on? Oh, that's perfect. I'm so excited. I can highly recommend getting these. Look how sharp they are. I thought I wasn't even through, but I had already made a big hole in my mat. So they are super sharp. This is a layer of foam, a layer of canvas fabric, and a layer of interfaced cotton quilting fabric. So it's quite a few layers, as you can see. And it cut through that like it was butter. So I can highly recommend getting one of these if you've been thinking about it, because darn, they're awesome. Thank you so very much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.